Hello, this is Ramirez with Tidewater Renaissance Fighting Arts, and today I'm wearing a fancy hat, and there's a good reason for that. I'm very excited to do an unboxing video. So in the mail today, I got this. It's coming from East Midlands in the United Kingdom, kind of Matt Easton's neck of the woods, but this is not from Matt Easton. He has one, but this one's mine. So without any further ado, I'm going to start opening it up. While I know generally what's in here, I don't know exactly what it looks like. I'm going to be real careful in unpacking it. Once I can figure out how, I might pause the video, but I do want you guys to get the same kind of excited look I get at it. Okay, that was easy. Okay, there's paper in here. And some protective stuff. I want to be able to open up the plastic without destroying anything inside. So there's a lot of foam in here, which I both understand and appreciate. One of the things that was neat was I gave them some rough parameters of what I want, but didn't tell them exactly how to make it. So before I get too carried away, this is a custom Pollaxe from Whitewell Arms. And I know that there should be some brass work. I know that it should have a rondel. Ooh. Okay. All right, we're getting there. I think I can slide this out. It's also supposed to have a butt spike. And it does. So I'll have a bit of cleaning up to do. Ooh, that's pretty. So let me share with you some of its features. So, nice butt spike. We have some brass work in here. I wanted it to be something that you would know was mine. It has languettes to protect it. The rondel guard. I'll slowly turn this around. You can appreciate, I mean, I do a lot with Pollaxes with simulators. This one was meant to be roughly my height. And as you see, it is a little, the butt spike a little bit taller. But this is historically accurate. And you can see on the other end, there's butt spike with some brass work. Brass work might not be as clear on the video. I might put some stills on my Facebook. But you can see that little brass bit there. So yeah, this should be very, very interesting. I'll probably do a few more videos on it later. But this is an unboxing. This is by Whitewell Arms. And normally they are particular about putting their arms on there. I'll look for it. So there is something that might be a maker's mark here. I don't see the standard white well, but I haven't found it yet. But yeah, I'm very impressed. Yusuf and David, thank you very much for all your help. This was actually a very quick order. I think I ordered about 6 weeks ago and it was ready slightly earlier, but I was on holiday, so they waited to send it out to me. I'm going to take a little bit more detailed look at it, but I thought all you would probably appreciate a nice video with Pollaxe. And there are many Pollaxes out there. Whitewell has made many Pollaxes, but this one especially is mine. I will see you in the next video.